Today I made a small video for me to remember how to use the boolean modifier to cut part of an object. I am just beginning, and it's useful for me as I tend to forget what I just learned when something new comes around due to Blender still being so confusing to me. We start by adding a sphere we can use to cut part of our cube, opening the Add menu with Shift and A. We can drag our cube around by using the Move tool. Then we can give it a bit more curves by using the Shade Auto Smooth function. Looking again where the modifier tool is, as I always forget in the flood of tools, it is the icon with the screwdriver in the right taskbar. For correctly using the modifier, we have to deselect the sphere and select the cube. Always select the object you want to cut, not the one you cut with. Then we select the tool, choose Add Modifier, go to Generate, and choose Boolean. In the Object menu, choose the object we want to cut with. Make sure the options in the tool are set to difference and exact so Blender knows we want to cut out. We hit the Apply button in the drop-down menu on the top of the modifier menu, which took me ages to find. And there it is. We have made a cut into our cube by using the sphere. Of course, we can do this with all the forms and objects we feel fit. Please be nice, as it is clear I'm not handling Blender as a pro. I am still clunky, and it clearly shows. I will probably make more videos for a quick lookup when I get lost again in my quest of learning Blender.